If you ride a Ducati Panigale, whether it's the 899, the 959, the 1199, or the 1299R or S models, this little piece right here might save you from a much bigger headache. Now, my name is Alex at Accessories International. Let's get right into it. This is the Evotech Performance Lower Radiator Guard, and while it might not be the flashiest upgrade, it's one of those smart, subtle mods that's going to make a real difference. Now you might think, I don't need to worry about my radiator protection until something kicks up off the road, and then it's too late. A dinged or leaking radiator is going to be expensive, and for 74 bucks you can save yourself a world of headaches with this Evotech radiator guard. Now Evotech designed this specifically for the Panigale platform, and what's cool is that you don't have to pull off your fairings to install it. That's going to be huge, it's going to save you a lot of time, and this is a direct fit that's going to slide in without needing to disassemble half of your bike. Now the guard itself is CNC machined from aircraft grade aluminum, which means it's light but still tough. You're looking at about 250 to 400 grams depending on the bike model, and that's practically nothing in weight, but it still offers serious protection where it counts. Now the matrix is laser cut in this clean hexagonal pattern here. That's going to balance your airflow and your protection so you're not just choking off your radiator's cooling ability, but you're shielding it from debris, gravel, and whatever else the road might throw up at you. Now everything you need to install the kit is going to come included, including this little vibration dampening foam piece. You got your 2 set of screws for hardware to get in, and an easy to follow set of instructions. The whole thing is going to be finished in this black powder coat, so it's going to blend right in with your bike's design. And at the end of the day, this is one of those mods that's going to give you peace of mind without changing the look or the feel of your Panigale. This is functional, it's clean, and it's built by a company that knows exactly what their riders want. Now overall, this is going to be an easy upgrade that's going to keep you on the road and out of the shop. My name is Alex at Accessories International. We've been doing this for over 25 years. If you have any questions at all, call us at 786-242-5400. Give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.